Hey car lovers, listen up. If your check engine light is on, your car's running rough, or you're just trying to squeeze a little more life out of that catalytic converter without spending thousands at the shop, this video is exactly what you need. Today, we're counting down the top 5 catalytic converter cleaners. From budget-friendly lifesavers to pro-level kits that could save your ride and your wallet. Whether you're a weekend DIYer or just looking for a quick fix before your emissions test, I've got something in here for you. These aren't just random picks. Every product in this list has been tested, reviewed, and proven to help clean out gunk, boost performance, and maybe even turn off that annoying check engine light. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which cleaner is right for your car and which ones are just hype. Let's dive in. All right, coming in at number 5 is the Solderit Catalytic Converter Cleaner and Deodorizer. This one is perfect if you're on a budget but still want something that gets the job done. Priced at around $12, it's one of the most affordable options out there. Just pour it into your gas tank and let it go to work while you drive. It helps break down carbon deposits and even tackles that weird rotten egg smell some older cars get. And even though it's budget-friendly, you can still expect a noticeable difference in how your car idles and accelerates after a full tank's use. Now, this one doesn't promise a full system clean like the higher-end brands, but it definitely gives your converter a good refresh, especially if you've been noticing slight performance issues or that dreaded check engine light flickering on. It's also super easy to use, which is perfect for folks who aren't into tinkering under the hood. Just toss it in and let it handle the rest while you go about your normal driving. It's a no-hassle, no-wrench solution that almost anyone can use, no matter your mechanical experience. What makes this one stand out, besides the price, is how it helps eliminate odors while improving fuel efficiency. You might not get professional-grade deep cleaning, but for a quick, convenient tune-up, this product is incredibly effective. It's great for keeping things running smoothly between more intensive maintenance, and can even help if you're trying to stretch the life of your catalytic converter before replacement. So yeah, it's a budget buy, but it doesn't feel cheap in terms of results. If your catalytic converter just needs a quick pick-me-up, Solderit is a solid go-to, especially if you want decent results without dropping a lot of cash. Next up at number 4 is Cataclean, and this one is a classic for a reason. If you're looking for a cleaner to use regularly as part of your maintenance routine, this is it. Priced at about $25 to $30, it's a mid-range option that works not just on your catalytic converter, but also helps clean your oxygen sensors, fuel injectors, and combustion chamber. Basically, it's like a multivitamin for your car. It's been around for years and built a strong reputation, which says a lot in a crowded market of fuel additives and cleaners. One 16-ounce bottle treats up to 15 gallons of fuel, and you'll start to notice smoother performance, reduced emissions, and sometimes even better gas mileage. It's especially helpful if your vehicle's starting to feel a little sluggish or you're trying to pass an emissions test. This stuff has actually been tested and proven to reduce hydrocarbon emissions by up to 50%, which is a big deal. And the best part? It doesn't require any mechanical skill. You just pour it in, fill up with gas, and go. It's a low-effort, high-reward type of product that really makes preventative care simple. Cataclean is best used every 3,000 to 4,000 miles, and it's ideal if you're someone who likes to stay ahead of problems rather than wait until they show up. Using it regularly can not only prolong the life of your catalytic converter, but also maintain overall engine health, keeping your car running cleaner and longer. It's also a great peace of mind product, especially if you drive an older vehicle or one with high mileage. It's not a miracle fix, but if you use it regularly, it can seriously extend the life of your catalytic converter and keep that pesky check engine light at bay while helping the environment too. Taking the 3rd spot is Rislone Cat Complete, which is hands down the best choice if you're looking for a full system cleaning. Priced around $18 to $22, it's super reasonable considering how much ground it covers. Fuel system, exhaust, emissions, all of it. This is the cleaner you grab when your vehicle feels like it needs a full detox. It's not just for when something's wrong either. This one works great as a preventative measure, helping your vehicle stay clean and efficient before issues even arise. It's designed to remove built-up carbon and soot from the catalytic converter, oxygen sensors, turbo, EGR valve, and the combustion chamber. Basically, it targets all the dirty spots that affect your vehicle's performance. People have reported noticeable differences in engine response, improved throttle feel, and even fewer instances of engine knocking. It can also help you avoid costly repairs down the line by keeping the system in top shape. If you're on the edge of failing an emissions test, A treatment with Rislone might just buy you a pass. What I like most is that it's versatile. You can use it in gasoline, diesel, and even flex fuel vehicles. It's compatible with old and new engines. And you don't need to be a car expert to use it. Just pour it in and drive about 150 miles to let it do its thing. The cleaner works gradually, dissolving carbon while the engine runs. So you get real results without needing tools or extra time in the garage. If you've never cleaned your system before or your car's been acting up, Rislone Cat Complete gives you that deep clean your engine has probably been begging for. And it does it all for under 25 bucks. All right, runner-up on this list is OXICAT. And if you're specifically dealing with issues related to your oxygen sensors or struggling to pass emissions tests, this is your new best friend. It goes for around $20 to $25, and it's designed to clean the oxygen sensors, catalytic converter, EGR valve, and the whole emission system. So it's not just a cleaner. It's basically an emission system rescue kit. Whether you're driving a compact sedan, an SUV, or even a hybrid, this stuff is engineered to handle it all, making it super versatile for a wide range of vehicles. What's cool is that OXICAT works while you drive, so there's no need for tools or taking anything apart. It removes carbon deposits that can mess with your air-fuel ratio, helping your engine run smoother and improving fuel economy. If you've noticed your mileage dropping, or if your engine light is pointing toward an O2 sensor issue, this stuff can help clear things up without a trip to the mechanic. And since it cleans multiple parts of the emission system in one go, you're also potentially saving hundreds on diagnostics and repairs at the shop. It's like preventative medicine for your car. It's recommended for vehicles with at least 50,000 miles on them. And it's safe for hybrid and turbo engines too. Use it every 4 to 6 months to keep your emission system clean and running efficiently. Some users even report improved performance within just 1 tank of fuel after adding OXICAT. Honestly, if you've been frustrated by stubborn codes and failed emissions tests, or if you're just trying to make your car run a little cleaner and smoother, OXICAT is a total game changer and easily one of the smartest investments you can make in basic car care. And finally, taking the #1 spot for 2025 is the MotorPower Care Catalytic Converter Cleaner Kit. This one is the best overall, no question. At around $40 to $50, it's the most expensive on the list, but you're getting a full professional-grade cleaning system that actually sprays directly into the catalytic converter through the oxygen sensor port. So yeah, it's a little more involved, but the results are next level. It's not your typical pour-in-the-tank solution. It requires a bit of effort, but that effort really pays off if your converter is on its last leg. This kit isn't just a dump-and-drive solution. It's made for folks who are serious about bringing their catalytic converter back to life without having to replace it, which, let's be real, can cost thousands. The cleaner is super powerful and breaks down even stubborn carbon deposits. And it's especially helpful if your car has thrown a catalytic converter efficiency code, like P0420. It's also ideal for vehicles that have had a long run without any exhaust maintenance. So if you've got a high-mileage car or you've been putting off repairs, this can buy you some serious time and performance. If you're comfortable with light DIY work or want to save on mechanic fees, this kit is totally worth it. It's used by pros in garages, and once you run it, you'll probably notice better throttle response, fewer emissions, and a drop in those nagging engine codes. Some users even report it cleared their check engine light altogether, without needing a costly trip to the shop. If you want the best results and don't mind a hands-on approach, MotorPower Care is absolutely worth every penny. It's the kind of tool that gives you that satisfying feeling of fixing your car yourself and doing it right.